slime. We're in chemistry. My name's Jocelyn.
Hello, I'm Jorge and I'll be the one holding the camera.
I'm Isai and I'm going to be the editor.
I'm Anna and I'm gonna be doing the slime.
Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Who's the teacher? Okay, to make slime, we're using contact solution, baking soda, and glue. Elmer's glue. And our materials is a fork and a bowl. The first thing you want to do is pour glue into the bowl. It should be Elmer's glue. It should be a clean bowl. Next step, we put baking soda. And the third step, we put contact solution. And then we mix it. We mix it until we think it's ready. You know? You can use your hands. You don't have to use a fork. Like, it's clearly not ready.
Maybe we should put more.
Okay, put more what? Okay, we're putting more contact solution. It's working.
Oh, and it's actually slimy.
We successfully made the slime, and now we're gonna add food coloring. Now we're gonna mix it in the bag because your hands will turn green.
Or whatever color you choose.
Yeah, but green is a really good choice.
My favorite color.
Different way to make slime is to use borax. First, we're gonna use glue, just like the other trial. Then we're gonna add in the borax and then mix.
The borax solution contains both water and some borax.
Oh my gosh! Look, it's working. Wow.
Oopsie daisy silly. Yeah, we put too much borax.
No, see.
Gee, we put
It's
too
not
much
working.
borax.
Let's just dip it. No! I told you. Too much borax.
Okay, let's try it again. Wash your hands and try it again.
This is our second trial with the borax. The first one didn't work out. Okay, we're adding a little bit of water. Or the borax solution.
It's working.
It's working. Okay, this is the slime with the borax. It's not as good as the other one. This one. This one's like Play-Doh. This one is like this. A solid is like a cup. It has the properties of it is the molecules are like stayed together, compact, and then a liquid is more free. Like this glue is a liquid, this contact solution is a liquid, and then a gas is like all over the place. You know, like the air. And what we would classify the slime to be is as a non-Newtonian fluid because it's not strictly a solid because it has properties of a liquid. So this is why we're doing this experiment. We're making a bigger slime. Okay, now put in the baking soda and then the contact solution. Yeah.
Now we just have to make one like this again.
Oh, baking soda is solid. We also use that. This is the worst slime that we made today. This is the okay one. It's pretty good. It stretches. And this one's the best one. Look at that. Thank you for joining us making slime in our chemistry lab. Okay.